guys, I'm Aurora, welcome, and in the last lesson I explained to you how to use the adjectives. Just to sum up, remember that in Italian an adjective should agree in gender and number with the noun. The adjective is a descriptive word and it has the power to give more information to your sentence. So today I'm going to teach you more adjectives which will help you make multiple sentences and you will improve your vocabulary. So let's start. The first one is cattivo, nasty, bravo, good, dispettoso, spiteful, piacevole, pleasant, speciale, special, coraggioso, brave, bello, beautiful, brutto, ugly, gentile, gentle, and generoso, generous. So let's revise. Cattivo, nasty, bravo, good, dispettoso, spiteful, piacevole, pleasant, speciale, special, coraggioso, brave, bello, beautiful, brutto, ugly, gentile, gentle, and generoso, generous. Just for letting you know, buono is an adjective while bene is the corresponding adverb. Thus, we will have buono, good, and bene, well. For example, in Italia si mangia bene. In Italy they eat well. La pasta è buona. The pasta is good. Let me know how you're getting on. I hope you liked the lesson of today. Put that thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!